Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today on Simply Mercy B, I'll show you how I make my instant chocolate pudding mix. This mix can be used for cakes and any type of recipe that calls for an instant chocolate pudding. Let's get into the ingredients. Once you have all your ingredients measured out, it's very simple. Just put them into a food processor or into a blender and get everything mixed up. There's no particular order. And there you have it, instant chocolate pudding mix. And you want to use an airtight container to preserve your pudding mix. And this mix will last for 6 months. So if you have a cake recipe that calls for instant pudding, start with a half a cup of your homemade pudding. Okay, let's do a comparison of the store-bought chocolate pudding and the homemade chocolate pudding. There's a slight difference in the color of them. Of course, theirs have other additives and mine is homemade, and you know exactly what's in it. However, I use them both. Okay, we're going to make a quick dessert with our chocolate pudding mix. And unlike the store-bought pudding mix, you add cold milk. However, with the homemade chocolate pudding mix, you're going to need hot milk. So in a small saucepan, you're going to need 1 cup of milk, 1/4 of a cup of half and half, and 1/2 cup of your pudding mix. And you're going to beat that vigorously. Okay, until you get a thick custard. Once you get this consistency, now you're ready to pour it up into a bowl, and we're going to have to refrigerate this for at least 30 minutes. Oops, I almost forgot. You're going to need like a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. You want to take some plastic wrap and place it over your pudding. And make sure your wrap is touching your pudding because you do not want a skin to form over your pudding. And after 1 hour, you have this deliciousness. This would make a nice, refreshing treat for anyone. Guys, I really hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and I hope this helped anyone who's looking for instant chocolate pudding and you don't have it where you live. This is a great way to make your own, and you can find all the ingredients and you know exactly what's in it. And until next time, I ask you to please like my video, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment. And until next time, keep life simple, and I'll see you on the next one.